Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
We are certainly in that sort of heat that you do need to take some extra precautions for. The heat index now well above 100 degrees, may climb even further in these next few hours of the day. Our view from City Cam, it is 96 degrees outside. You add in high humidity and it feels in the shade like 106 degrees. That's that heat index value. Go out into the sun and that can make it climb another 10 or 15 degrees with what it feels like outside. So a west wind now at about 16 miles an hour. The record to beat today, 100 degrees. We may come close. We've got many hours here of just hot sunshine to go. 1977 was the date that we hit 100 degrees on this day. 91 in Smithfield right now. It's 94 in Coventry. Taunton's at 94. The coastline benefiting in Rhode Island from a really stiff west-southwest wind, bringing in some of that more comfortable ocean air. So it's 85 in Ninigret. Newport's at 86. New Bedford's at 92. But boy, the humidity is even higher at the coastline, and that is creating the heat index still close to 100 degrees. So poor air quality closer to the coastline too, with the high ground level ozone concentrations. Very typical when you get this sort of heat, humidity, and a southwest wind to see this happen. And so RIPTA rides are free again for today. We may have another air quality alert day tomorrow as well. Radar across Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts. There's not even any thunderstorms around to help cool us off, and I think it'll stay that way through the afternoon. So we're looking at a high near 99 in Pawtucket and downtown Providence, 98 on the east side, 99 in North Providence. Those temperatures along the East Bay will be in the upper 90s. Riverside, Garden City coming in at about 98 degrees. TF Green in the upper 90s. So I'm thinking just shy of that 100-degree record. 90 in Charlestown, 91 westerly, 89 for the high in Newport. Breezy, hot, windy conditions. Southwest winds have been picking up here through the late morning and out this afternoon. We may see some gusts as high as 25, 30 miles an hour. 99 in Woonsocket, Burrillville, 97, 98 in Scituate for the high today. And those temperatures, New Bedford, Taunton, Fall River, well into the 90s, mid to upper 90s. In fact, Seekonk around 97, Middletown hitting a high near 90. Right at the beaches, a little windy. It's creating a moderate risk for rip currents at the shore today. Be careful if you go in the water. 88 is the air temperature, water temperature around 75. Small craft advisory for the bay. Southwest winds at 10 to 25 knots, waves 2 to 3 feet, and we've got a high tide at 5:30 this evening. I want to take you through the daytime tomorrow. We're going to be tracking a cold front. Now that front out ahead of it, still very hot, humid conditions. We're back into the 90s again tomorrow. Notice we're quiet this evening. You have outdoor plans. It's just going to be a hot one through the nighttime hours, staying in the 70s for overnight lows, and then tomorrow morning partly sunny skies. We're dry for a good part of the day tomorrow. Notice the timing here of this line of showers and thunderstorms. So we're leaning towards late afternoon and evening for this to come through, but we are concerned that it could contain some strong or even severe thunderstorms. So I have us at 93 again tomorrow for a high. Strong, potentially damaging winds possible, heavy rain, lightning, small hail. So severe weather outbreaks certainly possible here in southern New England. Still looking for that front to clear off the coastline. We may wake up to some clouds on Sunday, and then that humidity will drop significantly on Sunday. In fact, our dew point temperatures, one of the ways we measure moisture, well in the 70s right now. That dew point will fall to about 60 on Sunday, and that is going to mean big time relief. Mid 80s, a little bit unsettled in the middle part of next week. So we have got, again, another 24 to 28 hours.